Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell covered calls on Schwab. So first thing you need to do is confirm the eligibility for option trading. So you need to ensure that your Schwab account is approved for option trading. If it's not, apply to your Schwab dashboard by filling out necessary forms, including your risk profile, trading experience questionnaire, and you need to at least one level option trading approval for covered calls. And then second thing you need to do is own the underlying stock. So a covered call strategy required that you own at least 100 share of a underlying stock for each call option you want to sell. If you don't own the share yet, buy them through your Schwab account by placing a regular stock trade. So now if you qualify all of these things, what you need to do is open up your Schwab account, own Schwab website, and then navigate to trade and then options. If you want, you can also use Street Smart as it is Schwab's advanced trading platform for option and active trading. So now after this, you need to search for stock you own and then open its option chain. Look for options, call options with different strike price and expiration dates, and then choose a strike price that is higher than your current market price of the stock. So pick an expiration date that aligns with your strategy, short terms for quick income or long term for higher premiums. After this, select sell to open to create a new call option contract. Input the number of contract you wish to sell and review the strike price, premium and expiration date. After this, choose your order type such as market order and limit order. And once you do all of that, simply click on submit and wait for confirmation that your trade has been placed. After this, you can track your covered call trade to see how the stock price performs relative to the strike price. So that's how you can sell covered calls in Schwab. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.